Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. I'm just realizing how badly this pink doesn't match the orange of the sweater, but it snowed, so I wish I was joking. Yeah, I wish this was a joke. I don't know why I live here. Anyway, remember the little stool I was working on? We're gonna finish that up today. I still have 7 girls in my basement, so if you hear shrieking, sorry. No one's in peril. They shriek. That's what they do. I ordered more of that decoupage paper from Redesign. I'm just gonna little interject here because I love it so much. Okay, in 2 different kinds. So you know if I'm stocking up, the stuff's good. I am not sponsored. I don't sell it. It's on Amazon. The only advice I have though is iron it. Like I did before. I put it between the flour sack towels and ironed it flat with the steam. So I'm going to put this back here on the wall for when I need it next time. You know if I'm buying a product more than once. It's good. Because I am super picky. Like my 3M sanding sponges, I don't buy these. My husband gets these for me from a friend that works at 3M. I gotta sand all this off, all this dust off. So I'm gonna do that first today. You know what? Do we want to do a layered chippy look on this again? It has the turquoise blue. And we could do it's been a while since I did a fake layer. Y'all know what that is, right? Where you don't paint the whole thing, you just paint certain sections that you know you're gonna wanna distress with the extra paint, like go around the edges or the rim with the layers of color. What a hot second since we did that, isn't it? I've been painting everything like nice. I haven't been distressing a lot of stuff. And then after that magazine rack, I kind of want to distress things again. Maybe we'll do that. Let's do the fake layers. Let me get this sanded down. You don't need to hear it going. I love when parents come pick up their kids and you're covered in sanding dust and they're like, "You're baking?" Sure. We're going to go with that. Yeah, I was baking. I'm going to get all the dust cleaned off this. I'm thinking green is going to be my primary color on this. I know, I'm not a green girl. But there's so many pretty greens. And I'm feeling springy. Maybe it's the snow. Just put me in the mood for green. What is the right green? I have a lot of green. So there's my repairs. Like it was never there. Like it never happened. And then I've sanded the whole thing just to give it a texture for the paint to hold on to. Why did the basement get quiet? I think I gotta check on that. Yeah, I found, remember the oops paint I picked up? It's a better green. I don't have to mix my own green. Look at that green. It's the perfect green. For those of you who have not seen me do this before, what I do is, I call it cheater distressing. So it comes from wanting to make the most profit and not waste a lot of time. So what I'll do is I'll pick certain areas to put color on that I can distress back on. And to do that, I'm probably going to paint the whole top like pink. But to do that, I will put different layers of color around the edges where I know I'm going to distress and sand away. And I'll probably do a wax resist after I've done that. But it's just going to look like a hot mess. It's going to look like a patchwork. But at the same time, you're going to be like, oh, it's so much easier than painting the whole thing 4 different colors. It's a time saver. If you could pick a color, it's a time saver. I found some color. So we have this pale blue and then Granny's Cornbread from Junk Gypsy. So this was Oops paint. This cost me like $2. And then this was a Junk Gypsy paint, chalk paint, and a yellow. I think they'll look good coming through the green. All right, I got my cheater layers. I am going to put the light blue all around the edges to seal all this in. Oh, look at it. It's definitely a different shade of blue. Like a baby blue. But I'm not going to cover the whole thing. So I know I'm going to distress the edges. So I'm putting like a layer there. The deepest blue that's already on there, if I hit the wrong spot, I know I'm going to hit this blue. And I'll stop sanding at that point because we know we're getting to the pressed plywood. And when I do this, I just tend to hit the same spaces on the legs and stuff like that, because otherwise, you know, you put other layers of paint on it and you're like, where was it? You know, you can't be too clever unless there's like raised detail or something. On a piece like this, you kind of gotta go, I'm gonna hit it all around the edges, on every leg in the same spot, on every cross brace in the same spot, so that when you do the next layers of paint, you're not wondering later when you do the finish layer, where was that now? And that's the process. So then we'll put the pink. The pink's gonna probably go over the whole top. Love this yellow. I wonder if I just got brave and painted this, like a whole cabinet in this. Somebody might just go, oh, I see it. Oh, you know what? I wanted to do the wax on this. Hang on. I want to do a couple of wax resist layers. So this is just an unscented white candle. Unscented is important to me because I hate the chemical smells. This should help get to different layers. And I'm going to leave it off of some places. So like in here, I don't want to have the exact same wear everywhere. So there'll be some yellow some places, some yellow here, some yellow there, not in other places. So that as you're distressing, you won't see the same layers come through. You could put more color, by the way. Okay. I think that's enough yellow. Time for the pink. Get some more wax on there. Oh, by the way, you saw me scribble this on the blue up here, not like perfectly covering it. I scribbled it. And now on the yellow, I've scribbled it. That's so that the wax pieces don't match up. So when you go to distress, you'll get random, either you'll get down to the blue or you'll get down to the yellow. sometimes both. Little randomness. Get our wax. I am going to do a full pink up here, probably actually over the whole thing. So I'm on the final coat. I'm going to do green now. I am dripping all over, aren't I? I am. All right. So you guys have seen me paint a million times, but as you can see, I didn't perfectly paint the pink because it's unnecessary. But I did get pink over most of it because I want it to be. I want the pink to show through most of all. But this green's going to be super pretty, so I'm going to get to paint. Okay, so now I got the top painted. I'm just wait. And hopefully, I think I might do a second coat on it. There are a couple places where it didn't quite hit right, and it's like, anyway, I'm probably going to do a second coat. Maybe not. I don't know. We'll see when it dries. See when it dries. If I think that's good enough when it dries, then we'll go ahead and just start sanding, because it is going to be distressed anyway. So there's like all these places where like some of the paint's not playing nice with each other, and I'm like, do I sand it and then repaint it? No, you're going to distress it. Just calm down. Just make it look distressed. It's been a long time since I did a distressed. I'm going to not clean my brush though. I'm going to put it in the press and seal here. That's the best hack ever. I've been press and sealing my my brushes. They stay wet. Like, I had forgot to wash my brush that day, and the next day I didn't lose a brush. I was able to clean it, and happy. So I'm gonna be using the press and seal on my brushes in between coats, because that way weird stuff happens. Like, you get sidetracked out there, and then the next day you go, oh my gosh, I forgot to wash the brushes. I never came back in here. Anyway, dry. The snow is taking drying time to a new level today, so just gotta wait. I want to distress this, but I feel like it's still really sticky. I'm gonna try a spot, and I feel like this is not gonna work. I'm gonna try a spot down here. If I can't, then it's gonna have to be tomorrow. The dry time is not good, guys. It's just not good. Nope. It's still not dry. So I think this is as far as the stool can go tonight. Plus, I'm debating whether or not I want to put decoupage on the top, like the mailbox. How about this? We let it dry overnight. You guys weigh in the comments and let me know if we should put decoupage tissue paper on it, the floral, like the mailbox, and we'll go from there, because it's just sticky. Not drying. It's the snow. It's not drying. So comment down below. Let me know if you think we should put the tissue paper on it, and we'll go from there. Okay. Thanks for watching, you guys. Happy junkin'. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.